Okay guys, this is a TVE news special coverage for the Kasetyahong Pasko ng Butuan, and this is a Christmas celebration. So it's a wonderful day, and this is a stage live on TVE. This is the stage from the Butuan City, Chapter Candle. And this is our night parking.
Dito lang aside, napita sir, pwede na dito tumoyo. Dito lang aside.
Ay na yan, uli na lang tama.
Oo, na lang pa. Ay, bantay.
And this is the National Museum in Butuan City. And still night, right? Light after dark.
Kita niyo yung anak.
Gawas sa
And news about the issue for Duterte and Bongbong Marcos resignation will give the news on TV News 6 weekend edition only on TV. So we're live 24/7
Ano, kino tagduol-duol
at
ra ta.
for English news.
Ayaw na kayo.
Wala akong parking.
Ano pa?
This is a night stall where eat street foods, no? We are live automatically from the Kanto region.
Meron din rin ako. Motor.
Mama, hanap ba tayo ng parking?
Wala na, uwi na tayo.
Manood tayo sa YouTube, manood tayo sa Facebook. Ito lang yun. Tayo.
Ila kayo lang na ako.
So, pwede tayo mag-parking.
Wala
Doon.
parkingan, uwi na tayo.
Situation here.
Dito na pito ka na yung
Butuan City Hall. So, night, mga updates regarding on situational report for Sara Duterte and BBM's issue. Please may follow us or watch TV News at 6 weekend on TV until 6:45 p.m.
Gapon na kita kakaslikod.
Log on to tvnews.com to know the latest news on the national, regional, international, NBA, sports scene, and
Kan ako pasabot ka na naiping.
Hindi punta kita.
diba? There are no parking slots.
Mauli na lang pa kayo. Wala ka parking.
But safe at last. The parking is safe. Free parking dito. Okay lang po. Salamat po, Mama. Salamat po, Papa, sa parking.
Hindi, alis tayo. Wala
Walang papadahan. Oh. Papadyan, parang, no? Walang espasyo.
Hello. Manguli na lang, me.
Okay. And that is our situation on Christmas tree on the City Hall of Butuan. So stay with us because News at 6 weekend is next on TVE.
Dili na, parking pa na.
Ano na parking?
And that's the recreational report on Christmas tree on the City Hall.
Ay, may paggawa sa tapos
So,
sabi. Motor sa daddy ni.
keep up with the
Motor
latest
pa na sa daddy,
updates on the situation of this.
Mali ko na makaka.
of this thing. So that's it. And that's the situation. So that's it. So thank you. CG Polizon TV News.